Video 249, ArtGirl Pre-Processing. We're going to pre-process our fragment shader strings now because templating strings are no longer enough. Inside of shader source fragment 6, which is just a cyan screen, we are adding this token right here. We put triple square braces on both sides in the token here. Now we can't have any spaces between the triple square braces and the tokens because we're just very rudimentary right now, very rudimentary. Here is a function that takes the raw shader source string and converts it into a pre-processed string. So here's the input raw string. And for the output, all we're doing is something very simple. We are looking for this string in the shader string, and we're replacing it with the empty string. So very basic, rudimentary. It doesn't really do anything. It just eliminates the potential syntax error from this line of code being in our shader string. But eventually we'll put more complicated logic in this pre-processing string here. Here we have the initializer for ArtGirl, so ArtGirl I, and we replaced shader source fragment with the shader source string raw and the shader source string preprocessed. So shader source frag raw and preprocessed. So down here a little ways, where we're going through all of our different pipelines and compiling the frag shader, we're going to rename this to raw, and then over here we take the raw and we pre-process it to get the pre-processed string, and the pre-processed is what we're going to give WebGL. Then down here, if the compilation fails, we're going to spit out the pre-processed, and we need to mark that it's the beginning and end, because this could get very big, so we want to kind of mark the beginning and end of where this gigantic string is being spat out. Here's what we did previously, and here's just some footnotes for this video. And down here is what we did in this video. So all we're doing is stubbing in a pre-processing pipeline for ArtGirl, because we're going to need it in order to get those binary clusters into the engine for those different tile patterns we've created. So you've been here. If you want more explanation, go to the longer playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. This has been video number 249. Like and subscribe.